Outlook is a part of the Microsoft Office suite that handles Pioneer's email. Outlook will be a direct replacement for Lotus Notes. This video will show several tips on how to perform the basic functions the average user will need in Outlook. The first step of using Outlook is to log into your Mail app installed on your computer. Go to the search bar at the bottom left of your Windows desktop that reads "Type here to search." In the search bar, type Outlook, then click on the top result labeled Outlook. After clicking on the Outlook icon in the search result, you'll be asked to type in your Pioneer email. The format for your email to log in is the first letter of your first name, your last name, and then @pioneerschools.org. Click the blue box labeled Connect. It is possible that a window will appear asking for your email and password a second time. Again, type in your Pioneer email address and password. Make sure to click on the Remember My Credentials box below the two input fields. Then click the OK button to confirm your credentials. At this point, you should be welcomed with an Account Setup is Complete window. Simply click the blue OK button. Make sure to uncheck the Set up Outlook Mobile on my phone too checkbox if you do not want to use the Outlook app on your phone. In this section, we're going to have a look at the layout of Outlook and its basic functions. There are four main sections of the Outlook client. Notice that Outlook looks very similar to Word or Excel with the many options and tabs at the top. Outlook is made on the same platform as other Office software. A lot of features will carry over between Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Outlook. The top section is the area in which many features can be accessed in Outlook. You're able to compose new emails, reply to emails, create mailing rules, mark emails as read or unread, and many other functions. This section to the left side is where all of your folders and your inbox can be found. Notice that the inbox is at the top of this section. New emails will show up in this folder. You are able to click any of these folders to open them. Their content will show in the middle section. In this example, we've created extra folders. If a folder has an unread email in it, a blue number will appear to the right of the folder. Viewing unread emails in that folder will decrease that number. The middle section is where you will find emails. These can be organized in different ways, and the search bar near the top left can be used to locate an email by name, subject, sender, and other criteria. Clicking an email will preview the email in the major section to the right of Outlook. This third section to the far right of Outlook is used to review any email you have selected in the middle section. There are two different ways to view an email. One way is within the Email Preview section on the far right of Outlook. The second option is to open an email in another window. To view an email within the Email Preview section, simply click the email of interest once. This will preview the email. Actions such as reply all, delete, archive, and others can still be done in the preview window. To open a new window for an email, simply double-click an email in your inbox or any other folder. A new window will pop up with the same options as the preview. This can be useful if you need multiple emails opened at once. The same options circled in red as before are still available for use. Just like every other email system, you have the ability to forward, reply, and reply to all for emails you have received. First, open an email. Secondly, locate the icons to the upper left of the email. These icons will perform actions on an email. Note these other options as well. The delete button will delete the active email that is selected or opened. emails get moved to your deleted items folder. The reply option will help you reply to the sender of an email. Reply All will help you reply to all who were included on the original email. And the Forward button will help you forward an email to any other user. To start a new email, first locate the New Email button at the upper left of Outlook. A new window will open and a blank email will populate with a signature if you've set one up. We'll address signatures later in this video. Notice the features across the top of this window. These are very similar to Word with the ability to change font color, highlights, bold effects, bullet points, and more. At this point, fill out the To section, add a subject, and the body of the email as you would normally. To send the email, simply click the Send button near the top left of the screen. You may wish to create a custom signature just like in other popular email providers. Click the File tab near the top left of Outlook. Next, a blue sidebar will populate to the left with a large arrow at the top. Click the Options button near the bottom. The Outlook Options window will appear. Navigate to the Mail tab on the left, then look for the Signatures button among the options on the right. A new window will pop up with the ability to update your signature. You first need to create a name for your signature file to save it. Locate the New button and click it. Next, type in the name of your signature. Default might be a good option to start with. Click OK to confirm. You can then type in the signature that you would like on your emails. Create your signature. Click the Save button above the signature text box. Change the New Messages and Replies/Forwards drop-down menus to your signature. And finish by clicking the OK button near the bottom right of both windows. We have indicated these areas in red circles. You can create folders to store incoming or read emails to help organize your email account. The easiest way to create a new folder is to right-click on your email address that is just above your inbox in the far left section of Outlook. A new menu will populate. Click the New Folder option. Next, type in what you would like to name your folder. Then press Enter. The folder will place itself below your email address in alphabetical order. You may wish to delete or rename folders as well if they are no longer needed or need to be repurposed in Outlook. Simply right-click the folder of interest and click Delete Folder or Rename from the new drop-down list. There are other useful options in the drop-down list as well, such as Create New Subfolder or Move. You can have incoming emails automatically route to different folders of your choice. This can be useful if you want to organize emails in a folder. Start by right-clicking the email you want to make a rule for. Locate Rules in the menu and click Always Move Messages from this sender. If more advanced rules are needed, click Create Rule. Contact ITS if you want to learn more about advanced rules. Next, you will populate a window that asks where you want to have all emails sent by a user. You can specify any folder or subfolder. You can also create a new folder if needed by clicking New to the right of this window. Click OK to confirm. Now emails from the selected sender will always go to the folder specified. The To field can be used to find users within Pioneer's directory. The best way to search from users is to search the user's legal name. If a nickname or short name is used, it is not likely the user will be found. The search function will search by first and last name and will search while typing in a name. This allows you to guess names if you are unsure of the spelling of a name. Start by typing in the name of the person you are emailing in the To field. Highlight their name and either click on their name or press Enter to select that user. You can add attachments to an email to send to a user. The default size limit of an attachment is 25 megabytes. To add an attachment to an email, simply start a new email, then click the paperclip icon that reads Attach File to the middle of the top toolbar. Near the bottom is the option Browse this PC that will open a new window which can be used to find a file on your computer. Notice that there is a list of recent files open on your computer. Files can also be selected from this list as well.